Hi
guys!
guys!
Today we're gonna be learning 16 basic Korean phrases that you must know if you're traveling to Korea or if you love K-drama or K-pop just like us. Shall we dive in? If you're ready to dive in, give me a what? Woohoo! And let's dive in. Before we start, I want to tell you that in this video, there are two different forms of speech that we're going to be covering. Polite and
Casual.
polite form of speech is used when you talk to a stranger. Let's say you don't know him and you talk to them and you want to be polite. Or you're talking to someone who's older than you to show respect. Like I am 20, he's 21. I want to make sure that I show respect. So that's when you use polite. And secondly, casual speech would be used when you talk among your friends. And that friend's gotta be the same age as you. Yeah, it's a cultural thing. And also, if you're talking to someone who's younger than you, let's say you're 20 and your friend is 19, you can also talk to them casually. And without further ado, shall we start? Basic phrase number 1 is hello. Formally, you can say 안녕하세요 with a little bow. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
반가워요.
반갑습니다.
네.
Casually, you can say 안녕. 안녕.
안녕. Basic phrase number 2 is goodbye. In Korean, there are two different ways to say goodbye. The first way is when they are leaving you. So you're saying go well. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 means peacefully. 가 from 가세요 means to go. Peacefully go. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요.
Now, casually, you can say 잘 가. 잘 means well. 가 means to go. So I'm saying well, go. 잘 가.
잘 가.
잘 가.
Number 3 is goodbye when you're leaving. So they are going to be the one that's staying behind, but you are leaving. So you're saying stay well. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. Peacefully stay. 안녕히 계세요.
In casual, say 잘 있어. 잘 means well. 있어 comes from the verb 있다, which is to exist. In this case, you can use as stay. So 잘 있어, well, stay. 잘 있어.
잘 가. Fourth basic phrase is yes. You can just simply say 네. 네. So if somebody asks you, hey, do you like BTS? You go, yes, 네. 네, 너무 좋아해요.
Casually, you can say 응. Do you like iced Americano? 응. Do you like cappuccino?
Number 5 is okay. This is a little bit different from yes because okay needs a little bit more of understanding of the context. Maybe somebody's asking you to do the dishes and you're saying okay. 알았어요. 알았어요. This comes from the verb 알다. This means to know. And you're saying 알았어요. Okay, mom, I'll do the dishes.
Casually, simply get rid of yo. 알았어. My friend's gonna ask me, can you give me a ride to the airport? 알았어.
Number 6 is no. You can say 아니요. 아니요 with a little shake. Maybe your friend is asking, do you want to try the live octopus in Korea? And you're like, 아니요. 아니요. No.
Casually, simply get rid of yo. 아니.
아니.
Do you want to exercise tonight?
아니.
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 Number 7 is sounds good or cool. This one word means all of them. 좋아요. 좋아요. And if somebody asks you something and it's a good idea, you reply them back by saying 좋아요. Do you want to go watch a movie tonight?
좋아요.
좋아요. Do you want to go drink ice americano?
너무 좋아요.
Just like that, say 좋아요.
Casually, again, simply get rid of 요. 좋아,
좋아.
좋아. Do you want to go shopping tonight?
좋아. 완전 좋아. Number 8 is hello on the phone. There is no casual version of this because when you pick up your phone, you know what to say. We say 여보세요.
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 여보세요?
여보세요. 여보세요. 여보세요.
여보세요?
Number 9. I will eat well. This phrase would be used right before you eat your food. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. Yummy. 잘 먹겠습니다. I will eat well. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Casually, just say 잘 먹을게. 잘 먹을게. 잘 먹을게.
Number 10. I ate well. This would be used after you're done eating the meal. 잘 먹었습니다. 잘 먹었습니다. So yummy. 잘 먹었습니다. This can also mean thank you for the meal. Maybe somebody treated you out and you want to say, hey, thank you so much for the meal. 잘 먹었습니다. 잘 먹었습니다.
In casual, say 잘 먹었어. 잘 먹었어. 잘 먹었어.
잘 먹었어. Number 11, I am sorry. Formally, you can say 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다.
Casually, say 미안해. 미안해. 미안해.
알았어.
미안해.
Sometimes you can even drop the word 해 at the end and say 미안.
미안.
미안. Number 12, thank you. You probably know this one already. 감사합니다. 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 Say it with us. 감사합니다.
Casually, just say 고마워. 고마워. 고마워.
아니야.
고마워.
고마워. Number 13 is you're welcome. Honestly, in Korean, we don't really have that word, but I know something similar. We can say no. No, 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 no. Let's say he says thank you. Say thank you.
고마워요.
아니에요. 아니에요. This kind of means like don't worry about it. No, like don't mention it. 아니에요. Say it with us. 아니에요.
Casually, just say 아니야. 아니야.
고마워.
아니야.
고마워.
아니야.
Say it with us.
아니야.
아니야. Number 14 is it's okay. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아요. For example,
I failed an exam.
괜찮아요.
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 And this is really interesting because this can be a question. You don't have to change a thing, but just put your tone up. 괜찮아요?
괜찮아요?
괜찮아요? Are you okay?
Casually, you know the drill. Just drop the yo. 괜찮아.
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 괜찮아?
괜찮아?
괜찮아.
괜찮아. Number 15 is I don't know. You can say 몰라요. 몰라요. I'll ask him some questions. Isaac, do you know how to speak Japanese?
몰라요.
What about Chinese?
몰라요.
What about English?
몰라요.
몰라요.
Casual. Drop the yo. 몰라.
몰라.
몰라. Hey, what are you gonna eat tonight?
몰라?
Where are we going this winter?
몰라?
몰라?
Last one, number 16 is I know. You can say 알아요. 알아요. This comes from the verb 알다, which means to know. So you're just conjugating to present tense and say 알아요. I'm gonna ask him a question. Do you know RM? RM 알아요?
알아요.
Do you know Jimin?
알아요.
알아요.
알아요. Casually drop the yo. 알아.
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 루카 알아?
응, 알아.
영어 알아?
응, 알아.
나 알아?
알아. All of the phrases came from this book, Speak Korean Anywhere. This includes about 280 practical Korean phrases that you can use every day. And if you're learning Korean, I highly recommend it. I'll leave the link in the description below. And as always, you got this!